When you are feeling joyful and want to celebrate your happy moments, you must probably thinking about people who are close to you. You want to share them your special time. Joy can only be fully experienced when you share it with others. Sahabat Rumah Belajar, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fine and ready to learn English with me. Yulia Silubun, English teacher of SMK Negeri 6 Ambon. What time is it? It's English time with Ma'am Yuli. Nice day to feel happy and we will invite everyone else. Today we are going to learn about invitation. We are going to discuss about its definition, social function, text structure, and language feature. First things first, let's talk about the definition of invitation. Invitation is a written or verbal request inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. Formal invitation is an invitation which follows a dignified form, tone, or style in agreement with the established norms, customs, or values. What is actually the social function of invitation? Well, it is to sustain transactional relationship with people. When you invite someone or when you are invited to someone else's happy occasion, it is to maintain the good relationship by being able to be happy with someone else's success. Now it's time to take a look at some examples of formal invitations. Here are two samples of invitation. The first invitation is a graduation ceremony and the second one is a festival dinner. Both of the invitations have the same text structure. Here is another formal invitation. This time, it is in the office setting. Let's take a look at parts of this formal invitation. 1. Logo. 2. The host of the occasion. 3. Phrase of invitation. 4. Kind of event. 5. Date. 6. Time. 7. Venue. 8. Special instruction. 9. Request to response. The last part of an invitation card is respond the invitation, or we know as RSVP card. Request to response is quite important part of the invitation. The RSVP card usually attached to the invitation card, so the person that was invited can confirm whether they will attend the occasion or not. RSVP is a French phrase that stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît, meaning please reply. It is a polite thing to do to let the host know that you are available or not for the invitation. The RSVP can also be done by phone. Next, let's discuss the language feature for invitation. The first one that you have to remember, we use simple present in written invitation. Written invitation use simple present tense. For example, in the previous invitation, we can read, "The Secretary of the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development invites you to attend the swearing ceremony of Kit E. Gottfried as General Counsel of," etc., etc. Remember, simple present tense use infinite or verb 1. Invitation, you may use would both for formal or informal invitation. For formal invitation, use these four forms of sentence, such as 1. Would you like to plus verb 1 plus question mark. Would you like to join us for lunch? 2. I'd like to ask you to plus verb 1. I'd like to ask you to join us for lunch. 3. It will be my pleasure if you would plus verb 1. It would be my pleasure if you would join us for lunch. 4. May I have the honor of your plus noun plus question mark. May I have the honor of your presence at lunch on Friday? For informal invitation, you can use 1. Why don't we plus verb 1 plus question mark. Why don't we go out for lunch? 2. Let's plus verb 1. Let's have lunch. Well, students, now you have already understand invitation text. We already talk about definition, social function, structure of the text, and language feature. I hope you find this video useful for you, and don't forget to visit Rumah Belajar to valuable information. Thank you and have a nice day.